Here's how to fix not receiving verification code in Gmail. If you're waiting for a verification email and it isn't appearing, there are a few solutions you can try. The first thing you should check is your spam folder. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and select Spam. This folder contains emails that Gmail has automatically filtered as unwanted messages. Look through the list to see if your verification email is there. You can also use the search bar at the top of Gmail to find the message more quickly. For example, if you're expecting a verification email from Google, search for Google and check the results. If you still can't find the email, close the Gmail application and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General. Then tap iPhone Storage and wait for the list of installed applications to load. Scroll through the list until you find Gmail, then select it. If you see an option called Offload App, tap it and confirm by selecting Offload App again. After the app has been offloaded, return to the Gmail application. Your iPhone should reinstall the app automatically. Once Gmail is available again, open it and check whether the verification email has arrived. Another option is to access Gmail through your web browser. Open a browser on your iPhone and visit google.com. Make sure you are signed into your account. After signing in, tap the square Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Gmail. If you're prompted to open the Gmail application, choose the option that says I'm not interested. This will allow Gmail to load directly inside your web browser. You can now check your inbox through the browser instead of the Gmail app. If the application is having trouble syncing new messages to your iPhone, the verification email may still be accessible through the web version. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.